This screen is one that we get a lot of questions about. The commission rate comes from the MLS. So for example, if they're offering, let's just say 3% minus 395, you would do 3 and then select percentage, and the MLS fee would be that $395. Keep in mind, this is not actually an MLS fee, and I've done a completely separate video on this specifically. If the percentage is simply 3%, then this MLS fee would be 0 or 2.5%. You would just do 2.5 percentage and there would be no MLS fee. But if you see that it's something like 2.5% minus 200 or 3% minus 295 or whatever that is, whatever that extra number outside of the percentage would be, that's your MLS fee that goes into this box. If there's a bonus amount, include it here. And on these boxes, we have a $250 admin fee. The admin fee can either be paid by you, the agent, the buyer, the seller, or the agent split. More often than not, if you're representing the buyer, it's going to be paid by your buyer, but you need to go in and put zeros into the rest of these boxes. Additionally, if you're sharing your commission with another FLR agent, you can click here and all the agents in the company are listed. So you can go in and select which agent you're splitting it with and then what the split. Now keep in mind, this is before your split to the company or anything else. So if you guys are splitting the commission 50-50, then you would put 50% in here. And that way the split gets factored before whatever you pay to Florida Luxury for your commission split. I hope that helps clarify it.